Let's we begin our first chapter of class 6 food. Where does it come from? भोजन हमें कहाँ से मिलता है? Now we all get the food from the plants. As we already know in class 5th, we get the food from the plants because plant is an autotroph. They make their food by themselves with the help of sunlight, water and carbon dioxide. Now there's a different food variety we have seen. There's okay, let's we do the one activity. Ask your friend in the school that the item they would be eating during a day. See if you can also get this information from friends staying in different state of India. List all the item in your notebook as given in table 1.1. Means table 1.1 suggests you name of the student or your friend and the item or food what they eat in a day, because they are different student from the different region. बहुत से ऐसे बच्चे होंगे जो बहुत ही अलग अलग जगहों से आए होंगे और उनके खाने का तरीका और खाने की विशेषताएं भी अलग होंगी. Now there seem to be so much variety in the food that we eat. What are the food made of? हम बहुत सी ऐसी चीज़ें अपनी डेली लाइफ में खाते हैं और ये फूड हमें मिलता कहाँ से है और आता कहाँ से. लेट नाउ वी डिस्कस. थिंक अबाउट राइस कुक्ड एट होम. ओके, टेक रॉ राइस एंड बॉयल इट इन अ वाटर. आपने कुछ राइस लिया और उसको पानी में डाल दिया. नाउ दीज टू इंग्रेडिएंट नीड टू मेक बॉइल्ड राइस in the flame. Now do one more activity. Choose some of the item you listed in table 1.1 and try to find out what ingredients are used to prepare these. Now these are the some of the food item in the table and the ingredients. Like roti and chapati, what do we add to make the roti? Atta and water. Dal, your mother put her pulses in the cooker and the water, soil, some oil and ghee and spices also. So you can also write the different materials or different things you are eat with your choice. Now comes to the point 1.2, food material and sources, where we get all these food material and what are the sources, जो कि हम खाना खाते हैं और हमें मिलते कहाँ से हैं. It is very easy. Plant, of course. What are the sources of rice or wheat? You may seen paddy or wheat field with rows and rows of plant. क्या आपने कभी खेत में जाके देखा है कि कितने ही खेत में चीज़ें आपके सामने दिखती हैं. एंड देन देयर आर फूड आइटम्स लाइक मिल्क, eggs, meat which come from animal also. Now these two diagrams clear in your mind that sources of food ingredient we get from the both the plant and animal. Now comes to the another activity. Now in this activity it is a fun, and what you add this, you just to ingredient used to prepare food item and their sources. Like in idli your mother make and use the ingredient like rice, urad dal, salt and water. They all comes from the plant, and the water is a present everywhere and the salt from the sea. Now like chicken curry, we get the chicken, spices, oil, ghee and water. Chicken get from the animal, spices from the plant, oil and ghee, plant and animal both, and water is the universal solvent. Now same as its kheer, milk, rice and sugar. Milk from animal and rice from the plant. So it is very clear we get the different sources of food from the different things. Now there is a plant part and animal product as food. Okay, we take the different parts of a plant as a food and the animals also. Now let we discuss about plant are one source of our food. Which part of a plant? We always assume or we always imagine कि which part of food, which part of a plant we take. Now this is a diagram which shown, and figure 1.4 is a different edible parts of plant which clear the image कि which part of a plant we take as a food. Like we take as a food flower also, stem also, some part of leaf also, node there is a space between the two leaves. Now there is a bird which arises later on as a stem, and there's a primary root which are arise from the main root, and the secondary root which are arises from the primary root. So these are the, actually this is the picture which shown and clear the image कि we take every part of the plant as a food. Now some plant have two or more edible parts, means the part which we eat, it's known as edible. Now think और more example where two or more part of a single plant are used. क्या हम सोच सकते हैं कि एक से ज़्यादा parts हम plant के लेते हैं? Now it is a table where it is we make the brinjal curry. Now we get the brinjal from the fruit as a in a plant, chili as spices any other also from as a fruit, and oil from the seed of a plant. So this table clear this thing कि we take the different part of a plant for their sources. Now let us come on the activity 4. Make a list in your table those items whose ingredients are obtained from plants, like part of a plant, and identify these as a food item. Now comes to the activity 5. Take some dry seed of moong or a chana. Put some quantity of seed in a container filled with water and leave this aside for a day. Have you seen your mother have sprouted some moong dal or chana dal or some black grams? So what you do? You put in a little bit of dal or chana and put in for some time for a 6 to 8 hours in a water. After it is soaked, then put aside, take out from the water and just hang it on a wet clothes. To wet clothes is provide some little bit of water and they arise in our sprouts, and these sprout is very beneficial for our body. Now whole moong and its sprout, it is very nutrition things which we take as a breakfast, like chana gram and its sprout and whole moong and its sprout. Now डू यू नो वेयर हनी कम्स फ्रॉम? आपको पता है कि हनी आती कहाँ से है? वी ऑल नो, वी कैन से कि वी गेट द हनी बी फ्रॉम द बीज. येस, बट it is stored all over year and it takes only a some of the month which are honey bee use it for collection of the honey. What do animal eat? Have you ever wondered कि what the animal eat? Like squirrel, pigeon, lizard, insects may be eating as their food. Some are the like your herbivorous, some are generally omnivorous, means eat both plant parts and their animal parts. Some are only herbivorous like goat, cow, buffalo, sheep. They are herbivorous. Now, several in activity 6 we let us do several animals are listed in table 1.4. Now let us see name of the animal. It is a just a fun for you. Now name of the animal, there is a one side there is a name of the animal are written there, and the other side one side is a food the animal eat, like buffalo eat grass, oil cake, hay, grains. Cat eats small animal, birds, milk. Rat also take both the animals household small things which we provided, like lion, it's a omnivore, carnivorous, eat only flesh eating, like tiger is also flesh eater. Spider take a small insect. House lizard also take a small insect. Cow generally grass, oil cake, grains. Human being take both the animal and plant parts. Butterfly also taking a small insect or the nectar of the flower. Crows, it's also omnivorous, take the plant part and the animal parts also, and other same are. Now same, this is a table 1.6 and there is a where herbivore like cow will eat only grass parts or the plant parts. Carnivores mean which are a flesh eater, only prey and take the flesh. Omnivorous like dogs take both the plant and animal things. So there is a table, you have to write the more of the animals name which are generally herbivores, carnivores and omnivores. Now the chapter is over now. Let us be discuss about the keywords. What is ingredients? The parts which are used we as a food particles. Now edible which are eatable. Nectar, it is a part where the honeybees collect from the flowers. Sprouted seed, after a soaked in a water, the seed becomes sprouted and a small seedling means small root arises from their point. Herbivores which are eat only plant parts, carnivores which only a flesh eater, omnivore which eat both plant and animal. Now your chapter is over. I hope you all understand this chapter. Thank you.